Are you looking for a 3-bedroom home for under $200,000? I'm TJ Oystrick from the Jan Oystrick team at Remax Crown, and welcome to our latest listing. I'm standing outside of 10 Lakeview in the beautiful town of Onaping on a quiet dead-end street. This is a beautiful family home, perfect for a starter or retiree. This bungalow offers 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. Upstairs, we've got the formal dining room, living room, kitchen. Check things out. Have a look downstairs. We've got a rec room, another bedroom, and a bathroom, plus a walkout to the backyard. This is a perfect area to entertain the family. Now check out the extra bedroom and bathroom down here, and we'll meet you outside. Thank you for checking out our latest listing here at 10 Lakeview in Onaping. If you'd like to book a viewing or want more information, give us a call at 705-524-3737. Email us at jan@theoystrickteam.com or visit our website at www.janoystrick.com. Thank you. Have a great day.